This special Christmas-inspired lesson will show you how to write a letter to Santa in 12 easy steps. We'll also end with a lesson challenge to test your knowledge. Let's begin with step 1. Plan out your letter to Santa. Write down any notes about what you want to include in your letter. This could include your wish list or any personal thoughts you want to share with Santa. Step 2. Pick out your stationery. You might want to find some festive writing paper or use colored pencils to write the letter. Be as creative as you like. Step 3. Write down your full name and address at the top of the letter. Make sure it is on the left-hand side. Step 4. Start your letter by writing, "Dear Santa." You could even use a more casual starting, such as "Hello Santa" or "Hi Santa." Step 5. Write down the opening paragraph. In the opening paragraph, introduce yourself and write something nice for Santa, such as asking him how he is doing. Step 6. Share something personal in the next paragraph. You could talk about a recent event that happened in your life, or share something about your family. Step 7. In the third paragraph, write down your wish list. This is where you ask Santa for what you want for Christmas. You could even ask Santa for a gift for someone else. Step 8. Write the closing paragraph. In this paragraph, thank Santa for reading the letter and wish him and everyone at the North Pole a very Merry Christmas. Step 9. End your letter by signing your name. You could even add a PS or postscript at the end to add anything you forgot to mention earlier in the letter. Step 10. Add finishing touches to the letter, such as decorations, drawings, or any photographs you want to include. And don't forget to proofread your letter for any mistakes. Step 11. Prepare the envelope. Pick out a festive envelope for your letter and write down Santa's address on the front. Depending on where you live, Santa's address may be different, so always double-check with an adult or online for the correct address to send your letter to. Step 12. Post your Dear Santa letter in a post box or at the post office. And that's it. You have now sent your letter to Santa for him to read. Remember, the best time to send letters to Santa is normally in the first week in December, so start writing your letter right now. For today's lesson challenge, can you write down a wish list of 3 things you want for Christmas and explain your reason for each one? Thank you for watching. For a written guide on how to write a letter to Santa, please see the link in the video description below. That's all from us today. Have a Merry Christmas, and see you next time.